Welcome to the Dirty Garage.
We have spent 6 months transforming our 90-year-old garage into the ultimate creator studio. And now that we have it 90% completed, let's take you on a tour because this place is pretty sick.
I run the clothing side of the garage. Come check out the vintage showroom. We do one big whatnot show every single month.
And we usually net about $20,000 to $30,000 from each show, which helps fund all the crazy projects we have planned for the Dirty Garage.
Here's some of my favorite pieces. We have a vintage Ferrari, Honda Horny,
That one's fire.
Lamborghini Forever, and a Nismo piece.
And this is just the beginning of everything we have in here. Absolutely insane collection. We have used every inch of this garage to our best ability to make sure we have absolutely everything we need. This is my editing setup where every bit of content from the Dirtee Boys on our Instagram all gets edited right here. And then if you turn around, you'll see this is in the same room as our clothing.
This is where we're gonna be manufacturing our own merch.
I'm so hyped for this. It has taken so much work to get the garage to this point, and we haven't even shown you everything. But even just this room has taken us months to get in here, assembling all these machines, routing the tubing. It has been a lot of work, and I'm just so excited for the day it comes where our first clothing piece will roll off the conveyor belt. When this does go live, I think it's gonna be so sick how we're gonna be making every clothing piece in the shop while we do absolutely everything else as well. Now come through here and let's take you to the outside. Have a look at how sick this place has come out. So if you watched our first tour on doing up this garage, you'll see that the floor is completely changed. We've also installed this super sick boxing bag. We actually do train quite a lot. If there's any influencers watching this, come through, we'll knock you out, light work. We have already got multiple insane projects that we're working on. Let me give you a little sneak peek on one of the ones we're working on. This is a Miata that we're gonna be fully repairing and building into a drift car only from Alibaba parts.
This is our legendary Civic that we literally took across the country.
Let me pop the hood because if you're new around here, you gotta see this engine bay. Have a look how sick. This is a fully built K24 pushing about 700 horsepower. Absolutely insane build. Watch our last video where we bought this from Facebook Marketplace and then drove it all the way to New York. We plan on doing a lot of absolutely insane projects at the Dirty Garage. And to do that, we have built this giant wood table that,
You guys got so many scars.
woo! We built this 50-foot long table, which might be the longest table in the world. Oh, my leg, man. So we changed this floor specifically so we can do all sorts of things on this, like drifting, burnout, a lot of crazy stuff. And the second that Drift Miata is done, trust me, we're gonna be drifting the f out of it right here.
The original Beamer shop sign is still there, but we have some very special things coming soon.
Guys, also right next to the shop, we have this scrapyard where crash cars come in and then these get sent out to the scrapyard. But it's kind of cool to see all these different crashes. This dude must have got bit by a T-Rex, I don't know, but it's kind of cool that this is right next to our shop. This is the main part of the shop. So this is where we're gonna be doing all our builds. So a little sneak peek of another video. Hey, don't show them too much, don't show them too much. Okay, I'll show you guys. All right, this is a drift go-kart from Alibaba. We're gonna be fully building this Honda 270 engine, and then we're gonna be adding the world's smallest turbo, but we're not only doing that, we're also gonna be fully building the engine with bill internals and also doing an EFI kit. This is our US General toolbox. So with the shop, with all the builds we're doing, we needed a lot of organization. So as you see, we got all our batteries, mass, torque wrench, and then on here we obviously got a bunch of different tools because guys, if you want to do the builds that we're doing, you need so many different tools. It's actually insane, but luckily we got them. Basically it's me and then Mateus who basically does the car builds, and with us two it's a lot of work to get absolutely everything done, with also organizing everything, setting everything up. It's a lot of work. Having a lot of tools helps a huge amount. Literally everything you see here, guys, is all for projects that we're doing for videos. Literally everything here is for a video. It's absolutely insane. This is our powder coating room. So in here is where we're gonna be powder coating all sorts of stuff. Here is the OG Turbo Mini Jeep. This was my most viral video. We're gonna get her back and working. She's a little rusty right now, but she's good. This right here is a powder coating oven. So this is what you need. Once you powder coat something, you basically need to oven it for the powder to stick onto whatever you powder coated. In the future, we also want to put a Suron workshop right here. So anyone in Miami with a Suron, bring it through, powder coating, work, whatever you think, we can get it done. That's something in the future. All right, show them something, Sasha. Man, what the hell are you doing? Oh, show him some muscle. Oh, okay. Okay. So guys, we have all sorts of different parts for our different builds that we're doing. We have so many crazy builds for you guys coming soon. We're gonna be posting a lot more now. We've been super inconsistent, and on Instagram, we're about 44,000 followers now. You guys have been going crazy on the Instagram, and I appreciate you guys so much. We got a lot of insane builds that you guys are gonna love so much. Guys, it really helps. If you like this video, share it and subscribe. What is this guy doing, bro? I also want to show you guys something very sick. Our sign's LEDs go on, so let me show you how sick this sign looks. All right, go down the ramp, come on. Hey, so this is the outside, there's a street, but have a look how sick this sign looks. Oh, dude, it looks insane, bro. Look at that.
That dirty pink.
Dirty pink, Miami colors, baby. We are on the 305. We love Miami and we're very Miami based. So we want to build this almost as a community thing. So if you're watching this and you're in the Miami area, come through, check out our clothes, our build. We love talking to people, and yeah, this sign is insane, dude. We are gonna be trying to post 3 videos every week because we've been inconsistent for way too long. I started posting YouTube videos 6 years ago. Sauce started posting videos about 9 years ago. We've always wanted to be YouTubers, and now we're gonna be fully locked in, getting videos, guys, as much as possible. The builds we have coming are insane. The videos we have coming are insane. We want to build this community as much as possible. So like, comment, subscribe. Guys, if you're in the Miami area or anywhere in Florida and want to come down and see us, we'll give you a full tour of the shop, give you a good time, show you guys our clothing pieces. Jesus. Oh my God. That's just what goes on in Miami. But that's the end of this video. We really just wanted to show you guys around the shop. Thank you guys, and peace out.